How to see Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply scroll down and you'll be able to see Wi-Fi over here. So all you need to do is simply long press on your Wi-Fi and click on Wi-Fi settings. You'll be redirected to the Wi-Fi settings of your device. So you're going to simply click on the specific Wi-Fi that you're connected to right now. You'll be able to see this icon right next to it. So simply click on that. So you'll be able to see password over here with dots. In order to see the Wi-Fi password, you're going to simply press on this and verify using your phone's passcode or Face ID. And now you can see that the password is visible. So you can simply copy the password by clicking copy and you can simply send it to whoever you want or just add it once again. So that is how you can see Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.